Hey, what do we got, boy? Huh? Gonna open up? Gonna go UFO hunting? Yeah? You gonna go UFO hunting? Yeah? We're going UFO hunting. I've seen enough bad videos, I've seen enough blurry videos, I've seen enough videos that don't even look real. So we're gonna find UFOs. We're gonna do it ourselves. And then if we don't find any UFOs, that's the way it goes. So we got the KF Concept tripod. This whole kit came from B&H Photo and Video in New York. Really great place to order online. Yeah, Winston's excited. All right, so let's open this up, set it up. What do we got, boy? What do we got? Go get some UFOs. Gonna go find some UFOs? Yeah? Is that what we're gonna do? There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. These are great. Yep. Steady guy. What do you see? All right. So this is your typical tripod. Got your little locking legs. These extend down. This thing will stand about 6 foot, 7 foot. In case you're doing any astrophotography, you've got a little bubble level there. Got a normal shoe attachment. This has a swivel head, so you can swivel it. So this is a perfect attachment for that little UFO hunter in you. Pretty cool. And you know, it's not a cheap one. This was a little more than like the ones on Amazon, but you know, you get what you pay for. And when you're out here and you want to keep it steady, very important to have a good tripod. And that's where the UFOs come from. The ones I've been seeing, the orbs, I guess they call them. I don't know if they're orbs or I don't know what they are, but I've been seeing them. They could be drones, but they're way up. So we're going to see if we can capture them with something special here. Now, this tripod came with a phone mount. So if you want to attach this and just put a phone on there, you can do that. Winston approves. Little hex key in there for your adjustments. So that's nice that they provide that. So we got the Belkin Boost Charge, which is basically a power bank. What are you doing, crazy dog? This is how we're going to power it. The batteries go dead on these things so fast, these cameras. So we got this. This is a really good one. Came with the kit. It's a bad boy. It's not your little piece of crap you can carry in your pocket, you know, when you're at work. This is 20 hours right here. It'll run that special little doodad we got there for about 20 hours. So that was a must. It came with the kit. You know, they have this all set up for you to do this type of photography. So this is what we're going to use to capture. This does audio, it does video, it does images. It also is a 4K, or you can run it at 1080p with 60 foot per second, which is what we're going to be doing. And you know, you can see it's for all the different things, but the Luna optics, I did my research online and these are the highest rated. Everybody said they are really good as far as your the range for the infrared illumination and the night vision. And some of the really good videos of these orbs or whatever they are I've seen were done with a Luna optics unit. This is basically the newest one, the top of the line you can buy as far as in their you know, non super high-end professional line, which they also carry. I think the average cost of one of those is like $5,000 and up. So this is a reasonable one. This came in right around $979. The whole kit was $1048 shipped to my house. So that included the battery charger, the tripod, and all the associated cables and everything you need to get started looking for UFOs. So let's mount this little guy up onto the tripod and see how it looks. What are you doing over there, dog? Nice. nylon. Okay. This is a bad boy. Look at that thing. Don't get much better than that, I guess, as far as affordability. Really solid, nice feel to it. Nice big heavy buttons on the top. So this bad boy is pretty cool. Up top there, you've got the infrared illuminator. That little guy in the middle. The one with the red on the left here, that is the actual viewing scope. This one over here, you can uncap that, like so, and that is a laser rangefinder. Now you would use the laser rangefinder if you were hunting or whatever you wanted to do to find the distance to your target that you're imaging or taking video of. We're not going to be doing that because the things we're going to be videoing are going to be probably miles away. So we're going to go ahead and just leave that closed for the time being. Alright, so got some nice heavy buttons. Got a nice rubber grip. I've already attached the foot for the tripod. So let's pop that thing on there and see how it does.
Going looking for hunting. Gonna hunt for UFOs. Yeah, we're gonna go look for some UFOs. Yeah.
It's about as easy as it gets. Alright. Flop these little eyepieces out. That is basically what you're dealing with. A very, very simple setup. I mean, I went through the instructions. Looks really easy to use. The menu is all on the screen when you look through the eyepieces. There's a nice screen in there. So we've got it attached to the tripod here. I can raise this up or down, extend the legs. However, I can keep it down low if I want to do that. This is the illuminator. So it's out of the way. It's not hanging off the side like some of them have. I think it's a really nice, solid feeling unit. It's nice that when you're using it, this is your menu. So you tap that, and then you can just scroll through your menu options, tap it again, or hold it down for 2 seconds or so and go back. It's about as easy as it gets. You adjust your eyepieces here and here. So if you have two eyes that are different, a lot of people do, they have their eyeglasses made that are a little bit different on each lens, so that's cool. You can adjust the two eyepieces independently. This up here is your focus, so when you're actually looking at something and you're imaging, you just focus on it, just like a regular binocular. And it doesn't get much easier than that. You got a button on the top here. You tap it once for image, it'll take a picture, and that's 16.1 megapixels. Hold it down for 1.5 seconds, and it actually starts doing video. And what you do is you just go in the menu beforehand and you set your video frame rate, and then you're all set. And then remember up here, if you're going to use the laser rangefinder, that is a laser. So, you know, if you're using that out in the backyard and you got helicopters flying around or something, you know, I'm not sure if that really is going to be something they can see and that can get you in trouble. But I would recommend only using that if you're going to be hunting or, you know, doing something in the woods where it's going to be staying down at ground level. Don't be shooting that thing off in the air because that could get you in trouble. Yeah. Don't worry, we're still going to use the boat. This is what we're going to do at night. So yeah, I think that's a pretty cool thing. We're going to see if we can actually catch our own UFOs. If all these videos we've been seeing are real or not. You know, a lot of people are putting stuff on YouTube and putting stuff on the internet that just looks ridiculous. And, you know, like the Backyard Professor said, he's a YouTuber. He says, you know, get a damn camera and hold it steady and hold it still. You know, what is wrong with people? They're always trembling, I guess, because they're seeing a UFO. So, you know, hopefully the tripod, this has got image stabilization. Hopefully all that'll cure all those problems and ills, and we'll be able to capture some pretty cool video of whatever the heck is flying around out here in Central Florida at night. Because as an astrophotographer, I can assure you I've seen some things, and they were not anything you would expect. So now we're going to be able to use the infrared to see them. We will see you soon, and we will be making our first video tonight and putting it up tomorrow. And I'll let you guys know if we got abducted by aliens or if Winston had to fight them off. So appreciate you watching. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Angstrom Management. We appreciate it.